Hello children. Welcome to the world of alphabet. Let us start at the beginning and learn about letter P. This is a P. Shape of trumpet also looks like P. Do you know that we can show letter P using our hands? Like this. P makes the sound Pa, Pa, Pa. P for Parrot. Parrots are intelligent birds. They have ability to speak like humans. They like to eat chilies and guavas. P for Park. The park in our neighborhood has a lot of trees and beautiful flowers. Children likes to play in the park. P for Pen. A pen is a universal tool used for writing on paper. Different colors of ink can be used in a pen to write. Now, you know about letter P by great learners.